Creating great content is a tough job, I know, but creating content which is optimized for every single social platform and makes your business stand out miles away from mediocrity is even more fun. How to maximize your productivity? What I like to do is I take out 10 to 15 minutes of my time and write down at least 10 things that is a priority for me on a piece of paper or on my whiteboard. For example, let's just say a meeting with my client, or working out, or even small things like taking my dog out for a walk. And what I do is I put a checkbox right beside those tasks. As soon as I complete a task, I drop a big tick right across the box. What your brain does is it registers each and every event as an achievement and releases dopamine. The more difficult your task is, the greater the dopamine release. Now what dopamine does is it's a pleasure hormone. It makes you feel good. Gradually what will happen is your body will be settling for a certain amount of dopamine release and will crave for even more. So knowingly, unknowingly, you will grow way more creative, way more efficient and way more productive.